Yes, hello friends. Yes, welcome. Today our point is methods of preparation for ether compounds. There are three main methods which are used to prepare ether compounds. First one, yes, reaction between silver oxide and alkyl lead compound. Second one is continuous etherification. And third one is Williamson synthesis. SEW जो भी है हमको याद रहना चाहिए. First of all, we'll try to understand about the method to prepare the ether compound by using the silver oxide and alkyl halide. Yes, during the reaction between 2 moles of alkyl halide and silver oxide, yes, ether compounds are formed. This ether compound may be symmetrical or asymmetrical ether. When we take both alkyl halide compound are similar, at that time symmetrical ether compounds will form. If we have taken the alkyl halide compound but both are different alkyl halide compounds, at that time, yes, obtained ether compounds are asymmetric. Simultaneously, yes, 2 molecules of silver halide is to be removed as a byproduct. Now, what is the chemical reaction mechanism? ये रिएक्शन कैसे होती है, कहाँ से बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है, कैसे यस बाई प्रोडक्ट रिमूव होती है. During the reaction, any atom will break the bond. Finally, chemical reaction is nothing. A cleavage of bonds in a reactant and formation of new bonds in a product. That is the chemical reaction. During the reaction, जितने बॉन्ड रिएक्टेंट्स में से कोई भी एटम ब्रेक करेगा, उतने ही बॉन्ड कहीं न कहीं वो बना लेगा और प्रोडक्ट मिलती है. तो ये R1X is the first molecule of alkyl halide. R1X, there is a single bond between alkyl group and halogen group. Second molecule of alkyl halide is R2X. Yes, R2X को हम रिवर्स लिख देंगे, R2X. H2O is to be indicated by H single bond O single bond H. Then easily you can write Ag2O, Ag single bond O single bond Ag. Now, yes, silver will combine with halogen and second silver atom will also combine with halogen of second alkyl halide molecule. That's why 2 molecules of silver halide will remove as a byproduct. R1 will directly attach to the oxygen through a single bond and that oxygen will directly attach to the R2. This is our product R1OR2. If R1 is equal to R2, then we can say this ether is symmetric ether. If R1 is not equal to R2, then ether will be asymmetric. Now you see, by using this method, we can prepare, this method is useful to prepare symmetrical as well as asymmetrical ethers. Yes, during first illustration, this is methyl chloride, otherwise you can say chloromethane. 2 molecules of methyl chloride will react with Ag2O. Yes, यहाँ both alkyl halide compound are similar. तो ये R1 भी ये मिथाइल ग्रुप है, R2 is also मिथाइल ग्रुप, R1OR2, then CH3OCH3. During this reaction, two molecules of AgCl एलोजन के बदले यहां Cl प्रेजेंट है, तो twice AgCl will be removed as a byproduct. This is dimethyl ether. Its IUPAC name is methoxymethane. Okay, Arya? Achha, this is ethyl bromide. During the reaction, two molecules of ethyl bromide will react with silver oxide. R1 and R2 is nothing. Ethyl group will act as R1 and R2. Yes, on reaction with Ag2O it will gives R1OR2 means ethyl OR ethyl. Means this is the diethyl ether. Its IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. Okay. Then third one is, yes, two molecules of secondary propyl chloride. In this case, both R1 is equal to secondary propyl group, R2 is also secondary propyl group. Then finally, on reaction with Ag2O, our product will be in which oxygen will introduce between two secondary propyl group. And AgCl, twice AgCl will remove as a byproduct. This is also known as a 2-chloropropane. This is secondary propyl group. Oxygen, niche secondary propyl group. Its name is, yes, disecondary propyl ether. This is symmetric ether. This is asymmetric ether, symmetric ether. Because both hydrocarbon groups are similar around the oxygen atom. ऐसा रिजिड नहीं है, सिमेट्रिक ईथर भी बना सकते हैं. हम अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड लेंगे. सपोज वी आर टेकिंग मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड and second alkyl halide is ethyl bromide. Number of carbon atoms in this alkyl halide is 1. In this illustration 2 carbon है. दोनों ग्रुप डिफरेंट है. This is R1, this is R2. On reaction with Ag2, yes, twice AgBr will remove as a byproduct. R1O, R2, R1 is CH3, then O, then C2H5. This is, yes, one side ethyl group है, one side methyl group है. In nomenclature, E for ethyl, M for methyl. In alphabetically order, E will comes first of all. That's why ethyl methyl ether. We cannot say methyl ethyl ether. In case of IUPAC nomenclature, oxygen is to be merged with any one alkyl group. And always in IUPAC method, oxygen is to be merged with alkyl group having less number of alkyl carbon atoms. तो ये मिथाइल ग्रुप में एक कार्बन है, इथाइल ग्रुप हैविंग 2 कार्बन एटम्स. दैट्स व्हाई ऑक्सीजन इज टू बी मर्ज विथ मिथाइल ग्रुप. देन ये बन जाएगा मिथॉक्सी. इसमें 2 कार्बन है, दैट्स व्हाई इथेन. रूट हाइड्रोकार्बन का नाम नोमेनक्लेचर में बोलना है. ओके, दो बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड वी कैन प्रिपेयर सिमेट्रिकल एज वेल एज एसिमेट्रिक ईथर. ओके, ये शर्मिला स्वीटी, आज हम यहाँ रुकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम देखेंगे कंटिन्यूस इथरिफिकेशन. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.